PPT.
Is it visible?
No, not yet. It's still under loading.
Now PPT is visible.
Please mute all other participants.
All other participants, please mute your.
So, good afternoon. Sorry for the delay. Some technical glitch was Shailaja ma'am called me to give a special session for engineering student related to IPR. As for engineering student, IPR is a basic and very important subject. Though that is not covered in their educational or curriculum, but this is a very interesting and very important subject as related with their future aspects. So we start with our first slide. Today's session is on IPR, that is intellectual property rights. We are going to discuss what is intellectual property. So can anyone tell me this symbol belongs to which part, or it is similar like anything? Can anyone guess? Of your brain. So anything coming or making by using your brain, that comes as a intellectual property. So this is the logo of IP of India, that is Intellectual Property India. So which subject matter comes under IP? Patents, design, trademark, IPs. We are going to discuss in today's webinar. In this slide, you can find this is a GII index, that is Global Innovation Index of WIPO. WIPO is a World Intellectual Property Organization. So as per that WIPO report, India is on 14th rank 2022. But in 2015, As per GDP, India is 5th largest country. As per area, 7th largest country. As per population, 1st country. Then why not related to invention? Why India is not in first 10 or first 5? The only reason is that the lack of awareness about intellectual property rights. So that's the reason central government and patent office in collaboration started this awareness mission related to IPR, that is NIPAM, National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission. Now, in this next slide, you can find IP, it is a creation of mind. So anything you are making by using your brain, that comes as a creation of minds, and that comes under IPR. It can be a name, logo, symbol, any traditional knowledge, any product, any process, any invention, any artistic work, any literary work, anything, any shape, patterns, any specific design, painting, photograph, that anything you are making new by using your brain, that comes as a creation of minds. Now there is a umbrella of IPR. Under this umbrella, there are 5 to 7 important IP rights are there. First is patents and design. Patents is for invention. Design is for any aesthetic aspects of an object, that comes under design. Then geographical indication. It is a special recognition to that product based on their geographical location. Then copyright, any artistic work or any artistic work, that comes under copyright. Trademark, it can be a logo, that all comes under trademark. Then another thing is SICLD, that is semiconductor integrated circuit layout designs. Then trade secrets, then protection of plant and varieties, and farmers' rights. So these all different IP rights comes under IPR. Now, what is actually intellectual property rights? Very simple example, your professor or your principal give you project on any specific topic. Once you receive that topic, your brain starts to think about that. The actual work starts from your brain. After that, you make a small framework about that subject matter. Because your principal gave you topic for project. Then you will start to think about resources. It can be guidance from your friends, colleagues, your teachers, your college books, and internet, that comes as a resources. Then when you actually working on it, actual efforts, that is labor efforts, the combination of all these three together give you your project, and this is similar as intellectual property. In intellectual property, you start to think from your brain. Then you will go for resources, available resources. You are combining your idea with available resources. Actual working on that gives you one product, any process, any output, that is intellectual property. Now, what is the importance and significance of this IP rights? You can use that rights for your own self. You can protect your rights. You can exclude others not to use that without your permission. Then you can utilize that rights for commercial earning purposes. So this is the very, very important points related to IP rights. That what is the importance and significance. Now, how can you utilize these IP rights? First, you will use for your own self. Then you can give license or assign rights to the person who are interested in similar business or subject matter. Then another option is franchisee. Example is Yevleti. The owner of Yevleti is not going everywhere. He's just giving franchises to the person who are interested in similar business. Or McDonald's. These are the example of franchises. Then another aspect is merchandising. You can give merchandising to a person. Example is Disney, or nowadays many brands started their merchandising. So by using this all four way, you can earn more and more money. So you can utilize that your IP rights for commercial purposes. Now there is a two type of perspective if you are having IP rights with you. First is common person perspective, second is businessman perspective. Common person, after getting any IP rights, they feeling pride. Yes, I have these patents or trademark, copyright, whichever IP rights. Then they will show that in academics that registered trademarks. Now, how can you find that this product having registered trademark or not? So R mention on any product means that product having registered trademark, and TM mention on any product means they have filed for registration but yet not received. Next IP right is copyright. So copyright is given for literary work, musical work, artistic work, cinema, films, sound recording, computer programs. In this section, you can file for copyrights. How can you find this product having registered copyright or not? So C in circle means that product having registered copyright. Copyright is a legal term. Copyright is a legal rights given to creator for his artistic works. Copyright is a bundle of rights like moral rights and legal rights. This is automatic rights. Means अगर किसी ने आज कोई poem बनाई तो from that time his right starts. Or if anyone made a special story or any computer program, from that time just he have to note down that with him. From that time his right starts. It is exclusive rights given to creator. Now in this picture it is showing that copyright cannot protect an idea. Suppose सचिन के पास एक कोई स्टोरी की आइडिया है, एबीसीडी कैरेक्टर है, पीक्यूआरएसटी सब कैरेक्टर है एंड सो ऑन उसके दिमाग में है, उसने किसी को बताया नहीं, कहीं नोट डाउन नहीं किया. सिमिलर आइडिया अगर विराट के पास दिमाग में आई और उसने नोट डाउन की कि एक ऐसा स्टोरी है समथिंग समथिंग समथिंग, तो फर्स्ट राइट विराट को मिलेंगे क्योंकि सचिन ने तो डिस्क्लोज ही नहीं किया कहीं. सो कॉपीराइट कैन नॉट प्रोटेक्ट एन आइडिया. आइडिया कितने भी हो दिमाग में, उसे एक्सप्रेस भी करना आना चाहिए. सो कॉपीराइट is a legal rights given for expression of an idea. If you are not expressing your idea, then you will not get any rights. Copyright owner can reproduce, translate, or any public display of his work. It's all rights with copyright owner. Now, registration of copyright is not mandatory. As I told, it is automatic rights. But for legal enforceability, you should register your work under copyright. These are the sections where copyright is given. That is literary work, paintings, photography, drawing, films, music, choreography, sculpture. If anyone good in photography or painting, they can register their work under copyright. So they can get benefit if any other person are interested to use that drawing or painting. They will get some monetary benefits. Literary works means any poem, story, news article, study material, any computer program, that all comes under literary works. Now, what is the term for copyright? Suppose I am the author of any book. So I will enjoy that rights for whole my life. After my death, my legal heir will enjoy more 60 years. This is related to author. Now, if you are having any paintings, drawings, any other work, the term for that copyright is 60 years. Next is broadcasters' rights. Kapil Sharma show's broadcasting rights is with Sony TV. So Sony TV can broadcast that show n number of times. The broadcasting term is 25 years. Similarly, Z Antakshari or Saregama, the broadcasting rights is with that Z TV. So they can telecast that show as per their choice, as per their wish. Next is performers' rights. Who is performer? Actor, singer, juggler, musician. And the term for performer is 50 years from the date of publishing. This photo is captured by this monkey only. This is the one famous case study related to copyright. This David Slater wildlife photographer went in Africa jungle and he purposefully keep his phone inside jungle, forest, or he misplaced his phone. This monkey got that phone and he took a selfie. Due to Google backup, he received that photo. Then Wikimedia published that photo in their magazine. That time legal battle starts between David Slater and Wikimedia. David Slater told that this photo captured by a monkey and from my phone, so the rights is with me. Without my permission, you cannot publish. Then Wikimedia went to court that this rights with that monkey. So, and monkey cannot utilize that right. So we are publishing that. That court gave a special judgment because after that PETA also came in between. They told that we are working for animal welfare. So we will get the share from that money earned by using that photo. And court also gave a special judgment that copyright is given only for human, not for animal. And the money earned by using that photo is given for welfare of animals. So this is a famous case study related to copyright. Next IP right is geographical indication. So geographical indication is a name or sign used on product which are having special qualities due to local environmental condition and local labor skills. सभी लोग चाय पीते हैं, मोस्टली आसाम की चाय होती है. कोई वहां के किसी के स्पेसिफिक पर्सन के नाम से चाय नहीं बोलता, और लोकेशन का नाम दिया जाता है, आसाम टी. सिमिलरली समर सीजन में मैंगोज फेमस है महाराष्ट्र में. सो ऑल आर आस्किंग फॉर Hapus mango from Ratnagiri or Konkan. No one is asking for More's Hapus or Patil's Hapus. It is Konkan Hapus or Ratnagiri Hapus. Mahabaleshwar strawberry. No one is asking for any specific person's name. It is name given on that specific geographical region. Tejpur lychee, Sindhudurga kokam, Chanderi fabric, Ambemore rice, Solapur Chadar, Solapur terry towel, Rajkot Patola, Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea is the first registered GI in India. There are more than 400 products which having special GI tag. Puneri Pagdi, Paithani Sadi, Warli painting, Makrana marble. The marble which was used for making of Taj Mahal is from Makrana, the name of place from Rajasthan. Then Ratlani Sev, Kanchipuram silk, Warli painting, then Bengal Pattachitra, Rajasthan Katputli. So these are famous GI. Now next IP is SICLD. That is Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layout Design. So it is everyone using electronic devices. And inside that, as you are engineering students, so you all are aware that there are internal layout designs, special circuit design are there, and that if you having unique or special design with you, then you can file for SICLD. The term for SICLD is 10 years. Many electronic devices or space devices, medical devices, that all comes under SICLD. If you want more details or filing procedure, then you can visit ipindia.nic.in related to patent, design, trademark, and geographical indication. Related to copyright, you can visit copyright.gov.in. Now you can find this is a single product which having multiple IP rights with them. This is Apple MacBook. This design is registered under design patent. This logo is registered under trademark. Then LED display is registered under patent. The user manual of this MacBook is registered under copyright, and internal chip design, that is layout design, is registered under SICLD. So single product, multiple IP rights, and that's the reason they are enjoying monopoly. These are some of the movies name. You can watch this if you having time or get more knowledge. So thank you everyone. This is the basic related to all IP rights. If you're having any doubts, you can ask. Thank you everyone. Thank you Shailaja ma'am. Thank you my family Ridan, Pranali, for giving me opportunity and supporting. And thank you all students who have calmly listened my view related to all the IP rights. Thank you. If anyone having any doubts, you can ask.
Sridhar sir.
Unmute yourself and ask question if you're having, or you can write down in chat box also.
Anybody, any questions? Am I audible to all? Anybody who has any questions regarding to IP or IPR or copyrights or how it's to be done or any such things?
Hello. Thank you very much, Pratik sir. It was a wonderful session. I have one question.
Okay.
Can you please shed some light on the recent amendments done in the patents law?
Ma'am, recent amendment, it is just going on. So it is a draft only. After 1 month, it will publish. So it is open for grievances right now or any suggestions. So I think it will be better to comment after that only.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Any other question from audience, students? Okay. Srinidhi sir, you can proceed for the next part of the session.
Thank you, ma'am. I thank our guest of honor, Mr. Pratik Hendre, sir, for introducing us for the regarding the knowledge about IPR and other procedures. I express my gratitude towards our esteemed director, sir, Dr. R.K. Jain, sir, for their approval and assistance, without whom the innovation and development could not be achieved. I thank our Dean, Dr. Shalija Patil, ma'am, and Dr. J. Police, sir, for their tennis attitude, which makes us above and beyond guarantee in the successful organizing and completing this event. And last but not least, I heartfelt thanks to all our teaching fraternity students who attended this lecture and grasped the knowledge about how to file IPR and other copyright things. Thank you, sir.
मजा नहीं